What an absolutely gorgeous bob makeover for the first video. This one features such volume and fullness within this angled bob cut. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we have someone with a bob style. Looks like the stylist is doing a bit of a cut refresh here. Now her particular bob did have more of like a shaggy feel to it. It's a very popular hair trend for 2023. We're seeing a lot of shaggy pixies and shaggy bob haircuts. Very nice cut refresh. I love the bangs on the front, the texture that this has. Such a cute hairstyle. And I do think that the stylist did cut this into more of like a shaggy pixie, which is a great in-between pixie and bob hair option. So if you want something a little bit different, this would be a great hairstyle to try out. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So this makeover included a nice addition to the curtain bang trend. I love her highlights mixed in with her hair color. Such a cute, modern, mid-length style. Next up, we have our next hair transformation. It looks like she's getting an undercut with this one. So this is a very Japanese inspired hairstyle that is making its way around TikTok. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but it is growing in popularity and it is definitely something that we might continue to see within the year and the year to come. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Definitely a unique and edgy hairstyle. Next up, we have a color change. So she comes to the salon with silver roots. She has gorgeous curly hair. And the stylist goes full on white with this hair transformation. She looks absolutely stunning. And it looks like the stylist did add in some layers, doing more of that butterfly haircut trend. Very nice transformation. Next up, we have someone rocking a shullet style. She's got like a shaggy mullet haircut. And she decided to shake things up with more of a bob style. She does have her curly natural texture mixed in as well. Beautiful baby bangs going in the front. Very cute hairstyle. And then our last transformation for today is going to feature a color change. So she comes to the salon with some grown out color. And she ends up leaving with this beautiful ash blonde hair shade. Very nice. I love the dimension that was added within the coloring. So pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.